Now, since we have already prepared the overall Google Sheets, now it is the time to proceed ahead and go for the activity. As you are able to see on page number 20, the entire activity is divided into four steps: A, B, C, and D. So let's move ahead for step number A. As you are able to see over here, step number 8, calculate the total amount collected in cell I9. But over here, we won't be collecting it in I9. We will be making use of another cell, that is I2. So over here, there is a minor correction. Instead of I9, for us, we will be doing the same calculation, but the cell over here, this time will be I2 instead of I9. So what it is written? It is written calculate the amount. So how to calculate the amount? For this, we will be making use of an inbuilt function. First, as we have already done this particular hands-on activity, so the in order to apply the formula, first and the most important thing is that we have to select the cell. So we have selected the cell, that is I2. You are able to see the cell that is selected as highlighted over here, I2. I will be clicking over here, and in order to apply any of the formula, we have to go for equal to sign. So I'm putting equal to, and then over here you will be able to see sum. So I am making use of this particular part, that is functions, and under functions I'm making use of sum and calculating the first activity, that is the craft table has got how much amount. Done. And we have done this particular part. Once we apply the formula over there, we will be directly getting an autofill option. So if you want, you can directly click on the autofill option over here. You will be able to see when you click on the autofill, all the cells will directly get the result. Face painting is 890, photo booth it is 2090, and last karaoke it is 850. So the first part of the activity is done, that is calculating the Excel or calculating the total amount collected in cell I9. But in I9, we are not collecting, instead, we are collecting in it I2. One more time, showing you very slowly this time. In order to apply the formula, first I'm making use of equal to sign. After going for equal to sign, you will be able to see an option called as functions over here. So we will be selecting the functions part. Under the function part, you will be able to see the first function, that is sum is present. Click on the sum part and then drag the cells from group 1 to group 6 and then press enter. As soon as you press enter, you will be able to get first output, that is 2315, and Google Sheets will give you a recommendation. That means if you want to use the same formula, kindly go for the autofill part. So I'm just clicking on the right tick and my formulas are there. So this was about the first activity, that is activity A for our hands-on activity. Now in the next part we will see activity number B over there.